Sri Ganeshaya Namaha, Sri Swami Samarthaya Namaha. Welcome to Guide Margadarshak's YouTube channel. To find out your daily horoscope from your zodiac sign of the 12 zodiac signs based on the lunar zodiac on Saturday, August 14th, 2021, and which zodiac sign will be auspiciously fruitful. Be sure to subscribe to your Margadarshak's YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest updates, and don't forget to like and share. So let's get started. Aries, today you may feel dull. You may face obstacles in your work front. You should keep patience in making investments. Quick decisions in business are not advisable today. You are likely to spend money on worthless stuff, which may make your family unhappy. Today's lucky color is yellow and lucky number is 6. Taurus, today your hard work may pay you in terms of success. You may plan to go for a short work related visit. Your subordinates may support you in implementing your business plans. Your opponents may praise your hard work. You may hear good news in terms of siblings. Today's lucky color is brown and lucky number is 7. Gemini, today you may be able to control your expenditures on worthless stuff. You may likely plan to invest capital in the business. You may invest your savings into some real estate projects, which will boost your financial health in the near future. You may be polite with others. You may be able to focus on domestic affairs, but your spouse will become upset or will have some health issues. Today's lucky color is magenta and lucky number is 6. Cancer, today may have good vitality and inner strength. You may be likely to make good plans and may implement them efficiently, but you might carefully read documents before putting in a signature. Due to over enthusiasm, you may invest some capital into family business. Lovebirds shall avoid discussing worthless topics. Today's lucky color is lavender and lucky number is 8. Leo, today is not a good day due to anxiety and restlessness. You may waste your precious time doing worthless tasks. You may plan to visit some religious places to seek peace of mind. You may get some advice from your elders, which may show you some direction to manage the messy situations. Today's lucky color is yellow and lucky number is 3. Virgo, today social get together you will re-establish your network, which will give you benefits in near future. Natives related to glamour, art, fashion will plan to do something new in terms of their profession. Students will perform better today in terms of study. Lovebirds will enjoy their happy moments. Today's lucky color is pink and lucky number is 4. Libra, today you may be busy in work front, which may make you tired and may not be able to get proper time in family get together. You may be able to create some overseas networks also. You should be careful in terms of investments. Natives in the job may get a promotion. Today's lucky color is green and lucky number is 3. Scorpio, today the situation is under control. Now, your destiny may likely be with you in terms of gains in business. You may get some rewards for your hard work. It may be good time to reinitiate your postponed projects. You may expect you may expect a peaceful religious travel. You may also plan to donate some amount to any religious place or to some charity. Today's lucky color is pink and lucky number is 6. Sagittarius, today your moon is not in good position. You may have health issues. You may face losses in the business or in investment. It is advised not to invest into business. Your gains will convert into losses. So you are advised to stop making investments in worthless objects. You should avoid being involved in controversies, otherwise it will pull you down negatively. Today's lucky color is red and lucky number is 2. Capricorn, you are blessed to the moon today. Capricorn, you are blessed. Capricorn, you are blessed by the moon today. You may expect to hear some good news in terms of probation. Domestic life may likely be in full swings of joy. You are advised to avoid making arguments on worthless topics. Overexcitement may test your patience. You can make important decisions in making investments in real estate. Students may be focused on their studies. Today's lucky color is cream and lucky number is 9. Aquarius, you will feel some dullness, but somehow you may likely get back to your work. You may pay extra attention to the kids' academics. You may likely be in the winning position against your enemies and opponents. Investors shall be careful while making difficult decisions. Job seekers may find suitable jobs. Today's lucky color is blue and lucky number is 8. Pieces. Today, you may find negative vibrations around you which may make you unhappy. You should avoid making investments on worthless assets. You may notice that friends may not be supportive today, so you should not expect more from them for help. Otherwise, it may make you more upset. You should make independent decisions today. Today's lucky color is gray and lucky number is 1. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to this video. Have a good day today. Thank you. Sri Swami Samartha.